don't, elicit, dupe, digression, exacerbate. You have to use their correct forms for these sentences. Now, are you familiar with these words? First of all, tell me that. So daunt is, if anything daunts you, it scares you. It puts fear in your mind. Fine, that's what daunt is. Anything that daunts you, like sometimes the heights daunt us, that means the heights scare us. They put fear in our. Elicit. Elicit means to get, to draw. Elicit, like the police people. Okay, now Aryan Khan is in prison. NCB people are not releasing him. Why? Because they want to elicit more and more information from him. They want to get more and more information from him. Understood? Dupe. Dupe can be used as noun also and verb also. So how? Like if you get cheated, you're a dupe. You can dupe someone or somebody can dupe you. That means can cheat you. Digression. Di means to. Gress. Gress means step. So you step in a different direction. Digression. You digress. Digress is the verb form and digression is the noun form. That's what it is. So now if you're talking about vocabularies and grammar, and suddenly if we start talking about something different, we start talking about politics, we start talking about different things, we will digress from the topic if we spend too much time on that. Exacerbate. Are you familiar with the word aggravate? Are you familiar with the word worse? Worsen? Are you familiar with the word bad? So when something becomes all the more bad, it worsens, correct? It becomes worse. It worsens. So bad, worse, worst. So it'll make it bad. When we say it'll make it bad, that means it'll worsen the situation. If it'll, maybe somewhere a bad situation is there. A bad situation, like let's talk about the flood affected people. So if the flood affected people, they are suffering because of that flood. What can worsen their situation? If suddenly there is a disease over there, then it can make their situation bad. Now let's talk about any wound, any disease. It can become all the more bad. That means it can worsen. Something can worsen it. Something can aggravate the symptoms. Something can make it all the more bad. Have you understood the word aggravate? Exacerbate is a formal word for aggravate. So anything that becomes from bad to worse, it exacerbates. Now, have you understood the words? All the words? Now think of the answers for these 5 blanks. I'm giving you 1 minute and then we'll continue. Okay. So the first one, Neeraj, give the answer for the first one.
They soon realized that they had been duped.
But I must put, if you just put they had been duped, it's going to be wrong. We must put duped over here. They had been duped. They had been duped. That means they had been cheated. So put the correct form. Dupe, duped, duped, the past form of the word. Duped, duped. So they had been duped. If you do not put the correct form of the word, the answer is wrong. Okay, let's move on to the second one. Yes, Rashid, what about the second one?
The symptoms may be exacerbate.
Okay, maybe again. See, we say, oh, it may be done. It may be, so they may be exacerbated. We have to use this form of the word, exacerbated by certain drugs. So the symptoms may be exacerbated. Like, do we ever say, oh, it can be do? We do not say it can be do. What do we say? It can be done. Do, did, done. It can be done. It can be explained. It can be written. We are using the third form, the V3 form of the verb everywhere. So that's why here also it should be the symptoms may be exacerbated. Third one. Yes, Neeraj? He was a brave man. Good quality. And then we've got the word but. That means you're talking about something contradictory. But he felt dashed by the task ahead.
Daunt.
So we should use the correct form. He felt what? He felt daunted, right? Like you feel good, you feel bad, he felt daunted. So we were using the verb form as adjective over here. He felt daunted, scared, afraid of the task. So daunted by the task ahead. So sometimes what happens, we learn new words, but we do not use them in their correct form. And this problem arises then. Next one, Rashid.
I could elicit no response from him.
Yes, elicit is correct. I could elicit no response from him. Now the last one is he was unable to finish his presentation on time due to several, because in between he started talking about this, then something else. So there were several what? What should I put, Neeraj? Answer for the last one. I know only one word is left. Okay. Now, nouns can be singular also and plural also if they're countable. And there can be one digression, there can be more. So if I just put the word digression over here, my answer is going to be wrong. So what should be the word? Yes, Neeraj?
Digressions.
Correct, digressions. Do you notice now how we need to be careful? If you understand the different forms of words, different ways in which they can be used, we can be grammatically correct. So you mentioned something about not being correct grammatically or making those mistakes or not being sure of the words. If you understand how to use them, you'll have more confidence. Am I right?